Pakistan has refused to hybrid Champions Trophy model despite India's reluctance, and the financial implications and broadcast deals have been at stake, with the potential solutions including split groups or shifting matches to neutral venues like the UAE. However, the PCB has not wavered in its commitment to host the Champions Trophy. Former ICC Secretary Jay Shah has spoken on the Champions Trophy matter and said that India has likely sought a hybrid format similar to the Asia Cup in 2023, where they played their matches in Sri Lanka while the rest of the tournament took place in Pakistan. The full schedule is expected after the ICC meeting to discuss the Champions Trophy. Arzu on the telecast with me. Arzu, give us details. Now, ICC particularly has been raising the issue that there needs to be a hybrid model that has to be put in place with regards to the Champions Trophy. That is hosted by Pakistan traditionally. Do you think the Pakistan Cricket Board will oblige to this request?
Well, the global governing body is set to hold a virtual meeting with several executive members from the cricketing board to finalize the upcoming Champions Trophy 2025. And earlier reports have suggested that the board of the control for cricket, means BCCI, have chosen not to travel to Pakistan for the tournament due to the long standing political tension, and to facilitate India's participation and ensure that they do not travel to Pakistan. A hybrid model was suggested, where the Indian team would play all its game, including the knockouts, in the neutral territory like UAE. However, the Pakistan Cricket Board have denied and have deemed this unacceptable. So now this remains to be seen, because we have heard today the statement of Rajiv Shukla, also the vice chairman of BCCI, and he also said that, firstly, the priority is our players' security, and that's why the decision that the government has taken, he also supported that, and saying that we will not be traveling to the Pakistan, but still there will be a meeting that needs to be held, and all eyes are on that meeting that will take place. That is very crucial,
right.
And this remains to be seen whether there will be
absolutely. Thanks, Arzu, for giving us those details. Now, my colleague Mahima has also spoken to the Congress Rajya Sabha MP Rajiv Shukla over the matter. Listen into what he had to say.
सर, इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम अब पाकिस्तान नहीं जाएगी, किस तरीके से?
देखिए, अभी हमारी वार्तालाप चल रही है, उसके बाद आईसीसी एक डिसीजन देगी, उस डिसीजन से सबको अवगत कराया जाएगा, और खिलाड़ियों की सुरक्षा हमारे लिए सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है। तो अगर खिलाड़ियों की सुरक्षा रहेगी तभी।
A Canadian court has granted an injunction to a temple in